This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, girls, this is your first software, graphic designing software. Everybody should talk. Priyanka, yes. You can unmute yourself and you should talk in my class.
Yes,
Okay, is it
ma'am.
your first software or you already learned some other software? Photoshop is over for you?
No, ma'am, this is my first one.
Okay, okay. So what you have to do, you have to write some of the notes. Okay. Okay. First,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to make a heading of multimedia.
Okay, ma'am.
What is multimedia? You have to write a notes about multimedia. So you people are now multimedia students. So you people are going to learn about multimedia software. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Archana? Okay. So just make a heading of multimedia. What is multimedia? You people have any idea about what is multimedia? Anybody can answer. What is multimedia? So what are the softwares are available? Anybody have any idea? Multimedia is a combinations of different softwares. Okay, these are the multimedia is a combinations of different medias. Okay, you have to write a note, make a heading of multimedia. Multimedia is a combinations of different media. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Soumya. I am graphic faculty in NICT Computer Education. Okay, everybody is listening. You have to unmute yourself and you should talk in
Yes,
my
ma'am.
class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Just make a heading of multimedia. Multimedia means it's a combination of different media. Okay. Different media means what kind of media it is a? It is a audio, video, text, and images. Okay. In a day-to-day life, you are covered with different medias, right? You are getting the informations, advertisement, news, everything with the different medias. You will get an information every day, day-to-day life. There is somewhere 20% off, 50% off, and all these things you will get to know with the different media. What are the different medias? Can you tell somebody, Sneha? Can you tell what are the different medias are available in the market? Sneha, are you there? Can you tell what are the different medias are available? Sneha, Archana, anybody can tell what are the different medias are available?
Ma'am, Adobe Photoshop.
No, generally
Ma'am,
I'm asking, you are getting the information in a day-to-day life. You are seeing somewhere
Social media, ma'am.
design.
Ma'am, like audio, video,
So you're getting
text, and
information. You're getting the information, right? Like you're getting the offers. How you will get the offers? You will see some posters, pamphlets, brochures, and if you watch the movie, television, somewhere you will get the advertisement. Right? There is a some 50% off is going on. There is red dot sale is going on. Right? So those are the information where you will get with the audio, video, text, images, posters, pamphlets, all those things, newspapers. Using that, you will get the information. Correct? Everybody is correct? So
Yes, ma'am.
make a heading of multimedia. Multimedia is a combination of images, text, audio, and video. You have to write a note. All are writing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in multimedia, we are divided into three different type of the softwares. Okay, we have a different softwares will be there. So if we learn the multimedia softwares, then only we can create a advertisements designs. Correct. So for particular things, we have a different, like audio editing, we have different software. Video editing, we have different softwares. Like that, graphic designing, we have different software. So you have to learn those particular softwares. Then only you can create a designs. You can create the advertisements. Okay. One second. Okay. Urvashi, are you writing what I said? Multimedia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So you have to make a heading of graphic designing. Okay. In that we have four different softwares are there. One is Photoshop, one is InDesign, one is Illustrator and CorelDRAW. We have four different softwares are there in graphic designing. Please write, make a heading of graphic design. Make a heading of graphic design. So you have to write in that we have four software. One is Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Okay. Yes. In the graphic designing, we have four different softwares are there. One is Photoshop, one is InDesign, and other one is Illustrator and CorelDRAW. Okay. Please make a note. Finished.
Ma'am, can you repeat it once more?
We have a graphic designing software. In that, in the graphic designing, we have four different software. One is Photoshop, next one is the InDesign, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, and CorelDRAW. Okay, the graphic designing. Next, we have a audio editing software, then video editing software. In the graphic designing, all four softwares are there. You want like what is available in video editing and audio editing? Anybody want? What are the softwares are available? Please, people should talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, video editing, we have a software called Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro and After Effects. We have two softwares, Premiere Pro and After Effects. Premiere Pro and After Effects.
Is it After Effect, ma'am?
Yes, After Effects. Premiere Pro and After Effects. Premiere Pro and After Effects. In the video editing. Okay. Premiere Pro and After Effects in the video editing. Okay. So next, audio editing, we have a software called SoundForge. SoundForge. Next, make a heading of audio editing.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
In video editing, we have two softwares. One is Premiere Pro and After Effects. Premiere Pro and After Effects.
Ma'am, the audio software?
Audio software is SoundForge.
Can you spell, ma'am?
SoundForge. Forge. SoundForge. SoundForge. Okay. Next, we have 3D animation and architectural design. We have next fourth one. First you have written, right? Graphic designing, we have 4 software. Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator and CorelDRAW. Next, video editing, we have 2 software. Premiere Pro and After Effects. Audio editing, we have 1 software, that is SoundForge. Next, we have 3D animation and architectural design. 3D animation and architectural design. 3D animation and architectural design. We have software that is 3ds Max, 3ds Max and Autodesk Maya. Autodesk 3ds Max, Autodesk Maya. Autodesk. 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 AUTO Autodesk. DESK. Desk. Autodesk 3ds Max. Autodesk. Okay, Maya. Okay, this is we are using for architectural design and 3D animation. We are using these 2 software for architectural design and 3D animation. Okay. All are finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, make a heading of CorelDRAW. Make a heading of CorelDRAW. So you people are come here to learn CorelDRAW, right? So you people are CorelDRAW students. Okay. CorelDRAW is mainly from the Corel company. Okay. You people have any idea why we are using CorelDRAW software? What is the use of this software? What and all we can design using this software? Anybody having any idea about it? Please, people should talk in my class.
And posters.
Tell me what and all we can make it.
Graphic designing, ma'am.
Okay. So Coral Draw is mainly from the Coral company. Okay. Are you writing right, people? Yukti Sharma, are you writing? Meghana, Lavanya, are you people are there? Are you people are writing right? Whatever the notes I have given.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do? You have to make the heading of Coral Draw. So Coral Draw, it is mainly from the Coral company. So what and all we can create using the Coral Draw? Mainly we can create the posters, pamphlets, advertisement designs. Mainly Coral Draw is famous for logo designs and visiting card designs. Okay, Coral Draw is mainly for the logo designs and visiting card design. Okay, so that I will give the notes about Coral Draw. Okay, once again. Okay, Coral Draw is mainly from the vector graphic software. It is a vector graphic software. What is the vector graphic software? Anybody having any idea? It is a vector graphic software. Okay, it is mainly released from the Coral Corporation. Okay, so there are two different types of the things will be there. We have a vector and a raster and a bitmap. Bitmap is nothing but an image. Any image we can take it and we can do the editing. But vector means we have to create our own designs. We have to create with the shapes, with the brushes, all these things. We have to make it our own logos. So that's why we have to tell Coral Draw is a completely a vector graphic editor. Means here we cannot use much images. We have to use the vectors, means we have to create our own designs. There is no shortcut here. So we have to create all our design. Okay. Everybody is listening, right? Noor, are you there? All are listening, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to make a note. Just please write it. Coral Draw is a vector graphic editor. Just make a note. Coral Draw is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by Coral Corporation. Coral Draw is a vector graphic editor. Coral Draw is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by Coral Corporation. All are writing correct? Anybody is not getting? Please tell me. Coral Draw is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by Coral Corporation. So we can tell it is also the name of the Coral graphic suite. We are telling Coral Draw, and we are telling Coral graphic suite. Okay, old versions we are telling Coral Draw with the versions. Now the new versions we are telling Coral Draw, Coral graphic suite. Okay, Coral Draw is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by the Coral Corporation. All are writing correct? Okay, it is also the name of the Corel graphic suite. So please write that also. Which includes the bitmap, images, graphic related programs, photo paint. CorelDRAW is a vector graphic editor developed and marketed by Corel Corporation. It is also the name of the Corel graphic suite. Okay, which include the bitmap images, photo paint, graphic related programs. Which include the bitmap images, photo paint, and graphic related programs. Okay, all are writing correct? Sadhya, are you there? And Sneha, Pooja, Show.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
people are writing correct. So any
Yes,
my
ma'am.
voice is clear. My voice is clear. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Fine. Okay, fine. So please write all these things are very basic notes. Actually, you people should know actually before starting the CorelDRAW software. You have to know the basic about the CorelDRAW things and all. This is the theory things actually. You people should know like where we are using the CorelDRAW, why we are using this software, what is the use of these things, when it is started. All those things you have to know. Correct. So now next you have to write next line. CorelDRAW is we are designing the CorelDRAW is designed to two-dimensional images. So here we are not making any animations here. So we are doing with the two-dimensional images. So images which is having the width and height. Height and width should be there. We cannot rotate the images here. So always we are using the not three-dimensional image. Three-dimensional image means it is not a 3D. It is a 2D format. This is we are telling, that is we are calling two-dimensional images. Please write it. CorelDRAW is designed to edit two-dimensional images. So here 3D, for 3D we are using three-dimensional images. Two-dimensional image only you can see width and height. You cannot see the depth of the images. Please write it. CorelDRAW is designed to edit two-dimensional images such as logos, posters, posters, pamphlets, visiting card designs, logos, posters, pamphlets, visiting card designs. Okay, CorelDRAW is designed to edit two-dimensional images such as logos, posters, pamphlets, visiting card design. Okay, then what else we can create? Newspaper design. Okay, fabric designs. You people are seeing many designs, many cloth designs nowadays, right? So how it is possible? So before we don't have that much cloth designs and all. Okay, so all this possible with the CorelDRAW software. All these things are possible with the CorelDRAW software. We can create all. We have to create ourselves. Okay. Next is Ronika. Are you available? Ronika, did you finish writing? Ronika, are you writing? Please, anybody cannot able to talk to me, please message me. Okay, there is an option here, chat. You can please chat with me. You have any doubts, please chat here. Ronika, you are facing any problem? Archana KP?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are writing correct. So what we'll do, please write it. CorelDRAW is designed to edit two-dimensional. Now everybody got to know what is two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Can anybody please answer? What is two-dimensional? Can you give any example for two-dimensional images?
Logos and posters.
Okay, so those are the two-dimensional images. Okay, next you have to make a note of CorelDRAW was initially released. Means CorelDRAW when it is started. Okay, CorelDRAW who is started when it started. CorelDRAW company when it is started. CorelDRAW was initially released in 1989. So that also you have to make a note. CorelDRAW was initially released in 1989. Okay. So popularly, what and all we can create using the CorelDRAW software. So mainly, what and all we can create using the CorelDRAW software. You can add some of the things also. You can make the magazine designs, okay, newspaper designing, book designing, any of the cartoon illustration making, logo making. So these are the things we can design it using the CorelDRAW software. Okay. So CorelDRAW was initially released in 1989. Please make a note. CorelDRAW was initially released in 1989. So what and all we can create using the CorelDRAW? It is the most popularly known. We can all these things we can create it using the CorelDRAW. That is magazine designing, newspaper designing, book designing, and illustration making. Okay. So it is popular. All are audible, right? Magazine designing, newspaper design, book designing, and illustration making. So you already written that logo designing, and what about that? Logo designing and visiting card design and all already people are written, right? So you have to add in that only magazine designing, newspaper designing, book designing, illustration making. So these things are all you have to add. Okay. Okay. Make a heading of versions of CorelDRAW. Version of CorelDRAW. Make a heading of the versions of CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW 2020 and CorelDRAW 2021 is our latest version of the CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW 2020 and 2021 is the latest version of the CorelDRAW. You have to make a note of what is the latest version of the CorelDRAW is CorelDRAW 2020 and CorelDRAW 2021 is the latest version of the CorelDRAW. Okay, everybody is writing correct? All are audible? Meghana?
Yes, ma'am.
Janani, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Lavanya, Pooja, Ashok, are you writing whatever I said?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the latest version of the Corel Draw? Corel Draw 2020 and Corel Draw 2021 is the latest version of the Corel Draw. Okay. So we are using Corel Draw X4, X5, X6, X7. Okay. So we are using now Corel Draw X4, X5, X6, X7. These are the comfortable version to use it. Okay, easily you people can learn with this version. Corel Draw X4, X5, X6, X7. Okay, Corel Draw already new version is released. 2021 is a new version. Okay, which is the version we are using X4, X5, X6, X7. You people can download any of these versions. Whatever I said now, X4, X5, X6, X7. Any of the versions you can download it because you will get a student version. Okay, you will get a student trial version. You will get it. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubt?
Mom, so which version do you recommend, ma'am, out of these four?
Any version like X4, X5, X6, X7, any of the version you can use it. Okay, because other versions and all you will very difficult to get. You don't get these versions actually. So we have Corel Draw 2020 everything, but I prefer X5 and X7. I am teaching that version only. Corel Draw X4, X5. Whenever you have to download, please download. These are the little older version actually. X4, X5, X6, X7. Otherwise, you can use Corel Draw 2017 version. That also you can download it. Okay. So because every day I will give some practical works, practical assignments and all. So you need it at least if you get a trial version, it is good actually. Okay. X4, these versions and all, there is no much difference in the versions actually. The tools and all will be all are same only actually. Only very small changes will be there in the color code and those things and all. Otherwise, all the things are same only. Okay. So whatever the latest version, we are calling it as a, after 15 years later, we got Corel Draw Graphics Suite 12. Okay. So we are telling Graphics Suite Corel Draw after 15 years later, we got Corel Draw Graphics Suite 12. Okay. So please make a note. Corel Draw 2020-21 is the latest version. So X4, X5, X6, X7, 2017, any version you can use it. Okay. Ronika, are you writing Ghazala? Ghazala, you are writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Meghna, Urvashi, Sadia
Yes, ma'am.
Hasa, are you writing?
Yes,
Sadia,
ma'am.
yes, you are writing, correct. Dibasha, Mohanty, you are writing? Dibasha, Mohanty, are you writing? Okay, fine. Okay. So next one is the color code. Color code in the Corel Draw. Okay. The color system, color code. Make a heading of color code. So there are two different color codes we are using here. In Corel Draw, we are using two different colors. Okay. There are two different colors we are using. One is RGB color and one is CMYK color. Okay. One is RGB color and one is CMYK color. There are two different color modes. Color mode. The two different color modes we are using in Corel Draw. One is RGB color and one is CMYK color. One is RGB color and one is CMYK color. Okay.
Ma'am, can you spell the second one?
I will tell you. Okay, RGB. First one is RGB. You have to make the elaboration of RGB is red, green, and blue. What is the elaboration of RGB is red, green, and blue. That is the RGB. Okay. Next, second one is the CMYK. What is the color code of CMYK is cyan, CYON, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So these are the color code actually. Okay. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. First one is the RGB, red, green, and blue. First one is the RGB, red, green, and blue. Second one is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So these two are the color modes we are using. So mainly we are using CMYK color mode. CMYK color mode, why we are using andre? So why Corel Draw mainly we are using for the printing purpose. Correct? Because Corel Draw, whatever the works we are doing, like poster design, pamphlet design, visiting card design, any of the designs we are using, we have to take the, we will take the printout and we will publish somewhere. Okay. So that's why we are using Corel Draw mainly. We have to design ourselves only. We have to create our own Corel Draw logos, Corel Draw visiting cards. We have to create our own logos, our own visiting cards and all. So mainly whenever we will create the design, we will give it for the printing or we will do the printing work, any of the things, because magazines, newspapers, those things and all. Okay. So we have to use end of the day Corel Draw for the printing purpose. Everybody is getting what I'm saying? So whatever the designs we are using, it will go, the output will be for the printing itself. Okay. So this is mainly for the print media, like it is a, okay, that's why we are using CMYK colors. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Okay. So these are the color versions we are using. Okay. Next, make a heading of features of Corel Draw. To make a heading of features of Corel Draw. Okay, please make a heading of features of Corel Draw. Corel Draw is a software program for, it is a editing vector graphics. Features of Corel Draw. Please make a note of features of Corel Draw. Done. Corel Draw is a software program for editing vector graphics. Vector graphics means each object can be edited separately. Means each shape, color, size, position, everything we can rotate, we can scale it, we can change the positions, everything we can make it. Okay. So make a heading of features of Corel Draw. CorelDRAW is a software program for editing vector graphics. Vector graphics, each object can be edited separately. Each object can edited separately, meaning that the shape, color, size, and position. Okay, all are writing. All are writing. I'm not getting any answer from anybody. Pooja, Ashok, are you writing? Priyanka, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Writing correct. Meghana, Yukti Sharma. Okay. Yukti Sharma, you're not unable to answer.
I'm able to understand.
Yukti Sharma is sleeping? No, man. Okay. Okay. So, CorelDRAW, features of the CorelDRAW you have written, correct? Okay. Now, I will go to this thing. I will share my screen. Anybody listening my voice? Anybody can listen my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One second, girls, please wait. I will share my screen. You people can listen my voice, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Attendance. Everybody, you people can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make a heading of resolution. What is resolution? Make a heading of resolution. Resolution is nothing but the quality of the image, height and width of the image. Please write and make a resolution always. It will say the quality of the image. So whenever we have to take the images, we have to take the good quality images, and output file should be always with the good quality only, because it can't be blurred images or something. So always we have to concentrate on with the resolution. Any of the files, whatever you people have created, when you take a printout, so you should not have that blur kind of a thing. It should have a good quality of this thing. So you have to make a heading of resolution. What is resolution? It is a quality of the image, height and width of the image. Resolution is nothing but quality of the image, height and width of the image. Okay. Resolution always calculated with 72 to 300. 300 is a good quality resolution. Okay, 300 is always, it is a good quality image. Okay. So whenever you install the CorelDRAW software, always it will come with the start menu. Otherwise, you will have, see here, start menu. You will have a CorelDRAW 2020. I have 2020 version and 2017 version also. And we have X4, X5, X7 version also we have. Any of the version also you can download it. Okay, so whenever you download the software, you will get the software here. Otherwise, you have to download in the desktop. It will come here in the desktop itself. Okay. So I have already opened the software. Otherwise, you can go to here, start and CorelDRAW. See CorelDRAW, it is coming with the green icon like this. CorelDRAW 2020. This is the thing, you can open it. Okay. See what and all we can create it using the CorelDRAW software. So what and all we can create it using the CorelDRAW software. Mainly this kind of logo designs. Logo designs you can create it. Visiting card designs. Can you see some designs here? Are you able to see what are the images I'm showing? Please answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have File format. What is the file format? We have to, all these images are in which format it should be? It should be in the JPG format or PNG format. All these are the final output format. Okay. See, we have this BMW logo design is there. Okay, so we have different logo designs are there. Olympic logo designs, Pepsi logo designs. So we have different types of the logo designs. See, all are these are the vector based images. Means we have to create our own. There is no pictures, nothing. This is all our creativity. We made our company. So like this, we have to take the logo designs like this. We have to create our logo designs using the CorelDRAW. And we have a pamphlet designs, some school education. We can create a different pamphlet designs, okay, which is having the heading and which is having the phone number, mail ID, admission open. Some new messages should be there when you open the pamphlet design. And brochure design. See, we have 2 folded, 3 folded, 4 folded. These are the brochure designs. We can create it. Okay, that is up to like however you want. If people want like that, you can make the designs like this. And we can create the, what is this? What kind of design it is? You people should answer.
Visiting card.
Yes. Visiting card design. We can design front and back. Both the designs also we can create it, right? So visiting card designs always, what and all you want in the visiting card design: name, phone number, company name, and mail ID should be there, and what is the designation of the person. All these things we have to only limited things only we can keep it in the visiting card, correct? So like that we have like a different kind of logos are there. See, these are the 2D images only. We can give the 3D effect. In the 2D designs only we can give the 3D kind of effects. These are little complicated logos. It is not little difficult only actually to make, because we are using so many curves here. We are using the curves. So that's why here it is important thing is the curves. Okay, so little difficult this kind of logos, but you people have to create this kind of curves designs also, logos also we have to create it. Okay, see, these are the logo designs. Okay, okay, see, we different categories we have to create a different kinds of logo. See, food category we have a different kind of logos will be there. Any machine electronics things, otherwise any mobile apps, we have a different kind of logos will be there. Okay, people, tell me, what is logo designing? You people have any idea about what is logo designing? Anybody can tell, please answer. Anybody? What is logo design? Anybody can answer? Priyanka, yes. Anybody can answer logo design?
Ma'am, it is like what the company is about. It represents that.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Only Priyanka answered me. Please, other people should answer also, please.
To create a brand for the
Okay. Okay, that answer is good. Then Noor, can you please answer?
Ma'am, I only answered the first time, ma'am.
Okay, Meghana, can you answer? Why we have to use the logos? Always why we should use the logos? Sadia, are you there? Can you please tell me what is the use
Yes, ma'am.
of
So a logo gives a very unique identification. It is like helps you to differentiate between your company and the other companies.
Okay. Okay. So it is just an identity. Identity. So we are opened our own company. So we should tell, we have to make the marketing. and we have to tell the people our company is available in this address, and we are giving the products like this. So it should be there in the market. So we have to make the logo, particular logo will be there. This is the identity of the company, correct? So we have to make the logo design. For that reason only we have to make the logo designing. Okay. So we will go to the CorelDRAW software. Okay, we have to click here. We have the CorelDRAW software. CorelDRAW any version, please try to download. Anybody having any doubt? Anybody having any doubts? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇವ್ರ್ದು. Okay, okay. All are audible, right? Urvashi?
Yes, ma'am.
All are audible, right? Can anybody show me the notes that whatever you written till now, what I have given? Please share your screen. You people can share your screen and you can show me your notes, whatever you written. Yukti Sharma, Debasha Mohanty, you people are not talking. Janani Selvam, please show me any of your notes, whatever you. Please share your screen and you can show me whatever the notes you have. Anybody not written any notes? Few minutes, ladies. I'm just opening the CorelDRAW software. It is connecting. 2017 version I'm using. Okay. Okay. So this is the window. When you open the software, this is the window. Everybody can see my screen, right? Everybody can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you open the CorelDRAW, can you see here? This is the work area. In the mouse, the middle button, I'm just zooming and zooming out. So this is the work area. Only this much area only we have to use. Always we have to work in this much area only. So wherever you will keep the mouse, there you can zoom it. See, only this much area only it is zooming. Okay, wherever you will keep the mouse, so that area only it will zoom. Okay. So next we have a toolbar here. Can you see the toolbar? In the left side we have a toolbar. Everybody can see it there, right? Toolbar.
Yes, ma'am.
We have different tools are there. So we have to use these tools only, and we have to create the design. And here upper part in the menu bar we have the scaling. There is a scaling of the image, because in Corel Draw whenever we are doing the designs we have to take the measurements of the design. So visiting card design, logo designs, it is having its own sizes. Visiting card, nobody is doing very big invitation size cards. They will not make a visiting card. Visiting cards having their own sizes will be there. So according to that only we have to follow the measurements. So we have to use the scaling. Okay, so this is the scaling of the image. Later I'll come back for all these things. And here we have some more options are there. Please write the tool name. Okay, I will tell you the tool name. First tool is pick tool. Okay, please write the tools. Just make a heading of tools, tools name. So just make a write of pick tool. This is a pick tool. Next to only one tool is enough. Pick tool. You have to write pick. You have to left click and you have to hold it. Hold it and click and hold it. Okay, then you have other tools, whatever tools are there inside, you can see that. Okay, pick tool. Next one is shape tool. Okay, next the tool name is shape tool. Please write the name of the tool. Smooth tool, twirl tool, twirl tool, TWIRL, smooth tool, twirl tool. Only two is enough. Okay, smooth tool and twirl tool. Next one is crop tool. Okay, crop tool, knife tool, crop tool and knife tool. Okay, all are writing correct. Crop tool, knife tool. Next one is zoom tool. Next one is zoom tool. Okay. Next you have to write the tool name. Freehand tool. 2 point. This is very important tools actually. You have to write everything. Freehand tool, 2 point line tool, freehand tool, 2 point line tool, Bezier tool, pen tool, B-spline, polyline, and 3-point curve. These are the tools. Freehand tool, 2-point line, Bezier, pen tool, B-spline, polyline, and 3-point curve. So everybody see my screen. All the tools are visible, right? Okay, tell me. 2-point line, Bezier, pen tool, B-spline, polyline, and 3-point curve. So you have to write the tool name. Over, finished. Anand, Anand. All are there? Sadia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are writing the tool name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Urvashi. Wait, there is people should wait 5 minutes. There is some network issues. 1 second. See, this is the latest version of the CorelDRAW 2020. I don't think that you people are getting the new version. You have to install the old version only. Okay. File format, make a note of that. File format to save CorelDRAW file. File format to save CorelDRAW. Please make a note of that. File format to save CorelDRAW. What is the file format to save CorelDRAW? What is the input file format to save CorelDRAW? Input file format to save CorelDRAW is CRL, star.crl. All are writing input format to save CorelDRAW file is everybody is listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the output format to save CorelDRAW file is? What is output file format to save CorelDRAW is JPG and PNG format. Output file format to save CorelDRAW is JPG and PNG formats. Okay. Next class, I will make like how to open. I will take an easy version only because 2020 is the latest version. I will take some more comfortable version only and open the software, and I will start with some designing. Okay. Anybody having any doubts? Anybody having any doubts? Anybody having any doubts in the notes what I have given? Everybody should answer. Please unmute everybody. I want to see all are available or not. Please unmute yourself. I will check according to this. I will take the attendance. Unmute yourself and let us see whether all are available. According to this, I will take the attendance. How to make a chat? The chat you have to make it. Please tell me message. Archana came with Meghana, you are not there. Priyanka, yes, you are not there. Neha, Amy,
I'm here, ma'am.
Neha, you are
Ma'am,
not there.
Priyanka is there.
Priyanka, yes, is not Priyanka, yes. Divani, who are available, kind of they will take attendance. Okay, ma'am, Priyanka is present. Okay. What about Urvashi? Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm present. Present, ma'am.
Anybody about
Okay, present, ma'am. There's a lot of disturbance.
Present, ma'am.
anybody having any doubt, please? Any doubt is there? We have created the WhatsApp group, so you have to send all your assignments, everything in that group only. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. I sent the class 5 minutes before only. The class. Okay. I'll open the CorelDRAW software and write all the codes, everything. Okay. And I will show how to use the CorelDRAW software and how to design the logo. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I end the class? Anybody having any doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm Archana. I'm present, ma'am. I couldn't hear you. There was a lot of disturbance. Someone's mic was on, I think. So I couldn't hear you.
Nobody's mic is on now at
No,
this time from the beginning.
now it's. No, ma'am. Before this, someone's mic was on, I think. So I couldn't hear you when you called my name.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please chat me. Please send me the messages using the chat. Okay. Because
Yes, ma'am.
whatever problems you are facing, please, if you are unable to talk, means you just make a note. Okay. So I'm facing this problem. Otherwise, anything you can answer me with the messages itself.
Okay, ma'am.
There's an option over there. There's a chat option over there. You can just message me whatever this thing. Please try to download the X4, X5 version. Okay. Next class, I will tell you about like how to use the CorelDRAW and what it all we can create using the CorelDRAW software. Okay. Shall I end the class, ladies, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow you have class at 3 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Tell me, Noor.
Ma'am, so it's every day or is it on only on Mondays and Fridays, ma'am?
It is Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Not Monday, Friday. Monday to Friday, every day you have classes. 3 to 4:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody having any doubt? I will end the class. Shall I end the class?